Go ahead and write today's I can statement in your journal. Today is November 24th, 2020. I can add fractions with sums between 1 and 2. Pause the video, come back and join me after you've written it. Welcome back. We are going to use the very same strategies that we have been using to add fractions with unlike denominators. So here we go. Let's add 1/2 and 3/4. Now, something that you might already notice about these two fractions, 1/2, we already know that 1/2 and 1/2 equals 1 whole. So let's look at this fraction 3/4. 3/4 is greater than 1/2. So 1/2 plus a fraction that's greater than 1/2 is going to give me a sum that is between 1 and 2. Let's follow the same adding process and see what happens when we get to our sum. I have different denominators, so I bet you already know what our common denominator is going to be for halves and fourths. That's right, it's going to be 4. If you don't know, then come over and write your multiples. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Ding, 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 ding. There's my common denominator. Write those, and then we're going to create equivalent fractions. I know that 2 times 2 gave me 4, so I'm going to do the same thing to my numerator. 1/2 is equivalent to 2/4. What happened to this 4 to turn it into a 4? It just slid right over. So I'm going to slide that 3 right over. 2/4 plus 3/4 is 5/4. What do you notice about 5/4? Yeah, it's a fraction greater than 1. We also call it an improper fraction when the numerator is larger than the denominator. 2 ways, remember, that we can change this improper fraction to a mixed number. Okay, we cannot leave our answer as an improper fraction. Okay, so we can think about how many fourths makes 1 whole. 4/4. So let's take 4/4 out of 5/4, and that makes 1 whole. How many fourths are left? 4/4 and 1/4 makes 5/4. So 1/4 is, well, 4/4 and 1/4 makes 5/4. So my mixed number, put your equal sign, 1 and 1/4. We also learned that if I want to change 5/4 to a mixed number, we know that the fraction bar means divide. So how many times will 4 go into 5? 1 whole time, with how many left over? So 4 times 1 is 4, plus, there you go, with 1 left over, 1 and 1/4 is your simplified answer. Click on the next video to do an example with me.